Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the GPU and drivers. Check NVIDIA SMI for device presence and driver version. Once you verify hardware, create a fresh Conda environment to avoid conflicts and activate it. Then install CUDA-compatible packages. Use the exact CUDA version that matches your drivers, otherwise packages fail. For example, pip install Torch with the appropriate wheel or Conda install CUDA toolkit plus TensorFlow GPU. Make sure package versions align with the toolkit to enable the GPU backend. Once the environment has GPU packages, install ipykernel and register the environment as a Jupyter kernel. Run Python m ipykernel install username equals env-gpu. Then open your notebook, go to kernel, select that new kernel. This ensures the notebook runs in the GPU-enabled environment. After switching, run a quick test. Import Torch and check Torch. CUDA is available, or import TensorFlow and run a simple matrix multiply on a device. This confirms your code will execute. To finish, explicitly place tensors and models on the GPU. Use model. 2 CUDA or with TF. Device/GPU 0, so you avoid accidental CPU fallback. Monitor NVIDIA SMI while running to watch memory and utilization. If you hit out of memory, reduce batch size or use gradient accumulation. If the kernel fails to start or GPU shows unavailable, recheck driver and CUDA compatibility. Reinstall the GPU packages in the environment and re-register the ipykernel. This single troubleshooting tip solves most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.